I like it when somebody is checking me out but confidently. मतलब
Like I like if you're checking me out when I don't know that you're checking me out. If I catch you checking me out, then I don't like.
अगर मैं तुझे देख रही हूँ और तू मुझे नहीं देख रही और तू जैसे ही मुझे देखे
नहीं ये नहीं.
Okay, he says he can only slam you. Why is okay? Listen, हमारे पूर्वजों को प्रॉब्लम थी सेक्स बोलने से. I understand आपकी शर्म थी. Why are these guys not using sex? Listen, if he's talking like this, ना, I don't even want to play this game.
And two girls.
Welcome to Two Girls and
Two Cats.
Right?
I hope you guys are staying woke.
Yes, stay woke तो ठीक है, पर ऐसे होता नहीं है. एक second. This is fine.
Yeah.
Stay woke,
Stay
guys.
woke, guys.
Stay woke. Start using this. तो
guys, क्या आप भी लड़की के सामने नर्वसनेस में ह्यूमन वाइब्रेटर बन जाते हैं?
क्या आप क्लब जाते हो पिकअप लाइंस मारने, लेकिन बाथरूम में ही एक लाइन मार के वापस आ जाते हो?
क्या आपके घर में खत्म हो रहे हैं सारे टिश्यूज एंड यू आस्क योरसेल्फ व्हाट द हेल इज द इश्यूज?
तो चलो, टू गर्ल्स आ गई हैं आज आपको बताने की ईव टीजिंग मत करो, क्योंकि ईव को एक्चुअली कुछ और ही चाहिए.
करेक्ट. नाउ वील टॉक लाइक नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. हमारे हर्ष बेनीवाल के जो ऑडियंस है, जो हमारे लॉन्डे ऑडियंस है, 94.3% मेल ऑडियंस से हम आज बात करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मोस्टली आप लोग सिंगल टाइप सी लग रहे हो मुझे.
दिख रहे तेरे को? We have assumed कि आप लोग सिंगल हो और आपको थोड़ी मदद चाहिए.
हाँ.
कुछ देखो, हमारी तो शादी हो गई और हमारे हस्बैंड ने ना कुछ चीजें करी. दिल्ली पीपल, करी इज फाइन. कुछ चीजें करी जिससे वो हमारे जैसी दो ब्यूटीफुल, सुंदर, वेरी वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, स्मार्ट, अमेजिंग वोक लड़कियों को पटा. तो आई थिंक आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि लड़कियों को कैसे पटाना है गाइस.
पटाना है, दैट्स सच अ दिल्ली वर्ड ना.
तुम क्या बोलते हो बॉम्बे में?
मतलब they woo us.
तुम बोलते हैं oh they woo you.
It's wooing.
Guys comments में बताओ woo क्या होता है?
Like
woo.
So I think that कभी-कभी आपको एनर्जी भी दे देते हो सिंगल वाली. आप कुछ करने की कोशिश नहीं करते हो, लेकिन लड़कों को पता चल जाता है कि आप सिंगल हो. एक्चुअली नहीं, they don't care.
They don't care. मैं ये बोलने
care.
वाली थी कि मैं सिंगल हूँ या नहीं, doesn't matter. Boys still approach me.
Yeah. Even now. Actually, you know what? Now that I'm talking about boys, for some time, let's forget that we are married.
हम सिंगल हैं.
हम सिंगल हैं.
Guys, आज हम सिंगल हैं. It's a nice feeling. It's been a while.
Let's sit with it for a while.
Let's just imagine that we are single. Really feel it.
You want to get a drink? That's what single people do.
Let's go party.
Let's go party. Okay.
So, तुम्हें कभी लड़के ने अप्रोच किया है और बहुत ही घटिया तरीके से? बहुत ही घटिया मतलब?
सबसे घटिया तो ऑलमोस्ट क्रीपी हो गया था मेरे लिए एक बार. मैं कैफे में बैठ के काम कर रही थी.
काम कर रही थी guys. काम. बताओ जरा कमेंट्स में क्या काम कर रही होगी सृष्टि कैफे में बैठ के. बट ओके. काम
कर रही थी मैं. ऐसे वाला काम जो होता है, जो हम घर पे करते हैं.
ऐसे वाला नहीं.
वो कर रही थी मैं, लेकिन लैपटॉप पे. और एक आदमी आया and he's like, hey, are you into the arts or something? And I was like, what the fuck does that mean?
Are you into the arts?
Into the arts. Because I looked like I was probably typing, so I said no. And when a girl gives you monosyllabic, syllabic
हिंदी में बोल ले यार.
जब एक लड़की आपको monosyllabic जवाब देती है, जैसे एक शब्द और doesn't follow it up with another question, तो आपको समझ जाना चाहिए it's your cue to turn, walk. But I don't think he got that. So he was like, it looks like you're a little busy, तो आप मुझे अपना नंबर दे दो. तो मैंने बोला कि मैं नंबर तो ठीक है ले लो, क्योंकि मुझे ना बोलना नहीं आता. तो मैंने नंबर दे दिया, पर गलत.
ना बोलना नहीं आता?
मैं ना नहीं बोल पाती.
सेपरेट एपिसोड. तो तूने अपना नंबर दे दिया उसको?
पर गलत, लास्ट डिजिट.
बस एक डिजिट गलत दिया. 10 बार ट्राई करेगा तो कहीं ना कहीं तो सही मिल ही जाएगा. एक डिजिट. ओके. फिर
एक डिजिट. फिर उसने बोला ठीक है, आई एम कॉलिंग यू, कैन यू check if you got the number. I said actually my phone is switched off in my bag. So he's like, but it's ringing here. So I said, but it is that it gets diverted actually to another number. So actually no, it's not, it's not.
क्या बंदा
And
है
then
भाई?
he's like, show me. I said, show you.
Show
And
you the
then-
phone.
And then because I can't say no, मैंने show किया.
तूने अपना फोन दिखा दिया उसको?
और नहीं बज रहा था. तो he's like, तूने मुझे गलत नंबर दिया. तो मैं बोला, हाँ.
फिर भी नहीं गया वो?
And then he walked off like he's upset with me. So that 3-minute relationship that I had with this man, where he has walked off feeling disappointed by me when I have just met him. He walked off and I felt like मेरे को जाके sorry बोलना चाहिए उसको.
अपने known लोगों को तो disappoint करती है, but तू unknown लोगों
He
को
walked off
बहुत
like-
आसानी से.
You could have just told me the truth.
So you could have just told him the
That's
truth.
that's true. So
कैसे कि
here-
लड़कियां ना कई बार घबराती हैं बिकॉज देसी लड़कों का एक दूसरा प्रॉब्लम भी है ना, समटाइम्स दे कम अक्रॉस वेरी एग्रो, तो ऐसे लगता है मना कर दिया तो इसका आशिक आशिक बन के दिल पे लग गई, स्टॉकर बन गया, तो वी ट्राई एंड थोड़ा remain a little neutral.
No, no.
So
Also,
I get it.
I feel like women have a little more to lose, little more, because women na they can get pregnant.
But I told you ना कि मेरी तो शादी के बाद भी I get approached by.
Yeah, sure.
But मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि मैं एक कैफे में अपने हस्बैंड के साथ, हस्बैंड थोड़ा अलग खड़ा हुआ था एज यूजुअल विराट, तो उसको दुनिया से बातें करनी है, तो मेरे अलावा सबसे बात करा था वहाँ पे. एक लड़का आया, मुझसे बातें करने लगा, वेरी वेल स्पोकन गाय फ्रॉम बॉम्बे. ओके,
Well spoken क्या होता
वेल स्पोकन मतलब इंग्लिश ठीक थी उसकी.
है? अच्छा, guys
ठीक है,
देखो,
वो ऐसे
well
नहीं
spoken का क्या मतलब होता है देखो, इसलिए बेचारे इंग्लिश में बात करने आते हैं.
उस पे
उनको
हम
इंग्लिश
आएंगे.
आती नहीं है फिर भी. Guys नहीं बात करनी पड़ेगी इंग्लिश में, मत बात करो इंग्लिश में. It's
I
okay.
has seen you before कुछ नहीं होता. I have seen you before.
You understood what he's saying?
हाँ
You understood ना what he's saying?
हाँ हाँ.
Language is for communication. It is
तो
not
तेरे
for.
पास कोई आके बोले I has seen you.
हाँ.
That is good. That is attractive.
I'm not saying attractive, but I will not judge.
So this guy said I have seen you before. ठीक है,
Okay.
मतलब he was that category कि जिसको इंग्लिश आती थी. तो मुझसे
इतने में ही पढ़ गई वो. Oh my God, he said I
नहीं
have
पढ़ी,
seen you
मेरे
before. He used the right past participle tense.
With those chashma you look like you'll be correcting लोगों के participles. फिर मुझे कहता है हम बात करने लगे और मैं भी थोड़ी ना तो बोलना आता नहीं, तो मैं भी बात करने लगी. फिर at some point मुझे उसको बताना पड़ा कि ब्रो तू टाइम वेस्ट
Bro बोल दिया यार.
ब्रो तू टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है. मैं मैरिड हूँ और मैंने रिंग पहनी थी. आज तो मैं सिंगल हूँ ना, तो आज आई एम नॉट वेयरिंग माय रिंग. तो मैंने रिंग पहनी थी और मैंने उसको रिंग दिखाई, तो उसने बोला नहीं तुम झूठ बोल रही हो. मैंने कहा मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रही, वो रहा मेरा पति वहां खड़ा है उधर. आई पॉइंटेड एट विराट. ही इज लाइक ओ वो तुम्हारा पति है. कब हुई थी तुम्हारी शादी? सो आई एक्चुअली टोल्ड हिम द डेट कि इस डेट पे मेरी शादी हुई थी, 1 साल हुआ है व्हाटएवर. ही लुक्ड एट मी, ही इज लाइक he goes to Virat, taps on his shoulder and says, you're married? When was your marriage? What was the date? And Virat looked at me and looked at him and I was like, tell him. So he also said the date. Thankfully, husbands को याद नहीं रहती है date, but Virat को याद थी क्योंकि नई नई शादी हुई थी. And that's when he believed कि ये सच बोल रही है. Otherwise वो मानने को ही तैयार नहीं था कि मेरी शादी होगी और मैं सच बोल रही हूँ उसको. And I was like, कुछ सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट नाम की चीज होती है गाइस. अगर लड़की तुमको बोल रही है कि उसकी शादी हुई है, चाहे उसकी शादी हुई हो या नहीं हुई हो, द पॉइंट इज कि आप आगे बात नहीं करते हो. टर्न अराउंड एंड वॉक. अगर वो बोल रही है मेरा फोन ऑफ है, तो फोन ऑफ है या नहीं है, दैट्स नॉट द पॉइंट. द पॉइंट इज कि शी डजंट वांट टू टॉक टू यू और गिव यू अ नंबर. लाइक इट्स क्लियर ना.
So what are the signs you give if you want to talk?
I give a lot of signs if I want to talk. Like अगर मुझे कोई अच्छा लगता है तो फिर मैं चेक आउट करूंगी, you know. फिर मैं I'll go and
Check
find-
out करूंगी.
Yeah, like I'll give you the
How?
look. Wait. I'll give you a slight smile, not a no.
This is after marriage or before marriage? After marriage कैसे check out करती हो तुम लड़कों को?
After marriage check out करती हूँ.
पर
नहीं
शादी तो
करती.
हुई नहीं हमारी.
हम सिंगल है ना.
हम सिंगल हैं.
तो
तो
फिर
इस वक्त-
सवाल ही क्यों पूछ रही हो ये
इस
वाला?
वक्त.
ऐसे ही check out करती हूँ. Give a nice slight smile and stare.
You know what I do?
What?
I just, like if I'm looking at you, I'm not into you. But if I touch my neck, then
तेरे साथ ये भी है ना. If you're looking at somebody, quite possible कि zoned out है.
ये मेरे साथ हुआ है guys, ये मेरे साथ हुआ है. तो you have to also double check अगर वो लड़की zoned out है, like you have to move a little to see if she's looking through you. क्योंकि क्या होता है कभी-कभी मुझ जैसे लोग क्लब में बैठे हुए होते हैं, कैफे में बैठे रहते हैं या किसी ऑडिशन रूम में बैठे रहते हैं
और हम बोर हो रहे होते हैं.
तो we zone out like that.
अगर तुम लाइन ऑफ साइट में हो तो तुम्हारी
तो
प्रॉब्लम.
वो तो किसी लड़के को लगा कि मैं एक्चुअली उसको देख रही हूँ, उसने पूरा कॉन्वर्सेशन कर लिया मेरे साथ की और मैं देख रही हूँ और मैं कुछ सोच भी रही थी, तो तभी मैंने स्माइल भी किया होगा कि that was such a funny moment कि मैं कुछ सोच रही हूँ. तो उसको लगा कि फुल मतलब she is into me. I have then he has come towards me and
Hmm.
he has tried to talk to me and I'm still zoned out. And he's like, you are. I said, no, I'm so sorry, bro. I was actually not.
बोला
I was
उसको?
looking. Yeah, I said, I'm so sorry. This is no. I said something in gibberish and I just walked off. But the point is कि थोड़ा सा ट्रिक क्या है ना, अगर तुम्हें देखना है कि वो सच्ची देख रही है, थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट साइड या राइट साइड मूव करो. If she's still looking straight,
अगर उसका eyeball left
either
or right
she's
move होता है.
blind. She could also be squint. Like sometimes a person who's looking at you may not be looking at you. May be looking at the person on the side. Like I may be looking at you right now if I have that problem with
But
my
you
eyes.
have that problem, na, with your eyes.
What?
But what is the worst compliment that you've gotten from a guy? बहुत
नहीं
मुश्किल है.
नहीं, it's a oxymoron. Oxymoron, guys, हर्ष बेनीवाल की ऑडियंस. Oxymoron होता है जब दो बहुत ही contradicting words एक साथ जुड़ जाते हैं.
जैसे सृष्टि सुंदर.
compliment अच्छी चीज होनी चाहिए, उसके साथ वर्स अटैच कर दिया तो मुझे
सृष्टि
समझ
इंटेलिजेंट. ऑक्सीमोरॉन. सृष्टि सुंदर, सृष्टि टॉल, सृष्टि स्वीट, सृष्टि. That's it. That's all I got. Oxymoron. So the worst compliment I've gotten. I only asked you क्योंकि मुझे बताना था ये कि देखो, लड़की को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना एक आर्ट होती है, ठीक है, वो सीख लो. क्योंकि अगर लड़की की टांगे लंबी है इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप उसको बोलो कि वाओ व्हाट लॉन्ग लेग्स. नो, दैट्स समबडी एक्चुअली केम अप टू मी एंड सेड वाओ यू हैव रियली लॉन्ग लेग्स.
पर ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट कैसे हुआ? तुम बस किसी को मेजरमेंट बता रहे हो किसी चीज का.
इट्स द दैट इज सो क्रीपी. यू कांट कमेंट ऑन बॉडी पार्ट पे, कमेंट मत करो. इंटेलिजेंट, स्मार्टनेस, स्माइल.
You can say smile, you can't say I like your lips.
हाँ, you can say you have a nice smile.
The only organ actually that you can compliment is the eyes.
Beautiful eyes.
Basically below the neck नहीं जाना, मतलब below the eyes. Eyes. ठीक है, माथा बोलोगे तो वो सेक्सी नहीं है.
यार, अगर आपको एक लड़की को अप्रोच करना है ना तो उसी लैंग्वेज में करो जिसमें आप कंफर्टेबल हो. अगर आप इंग्लिश में कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो तो मत झाड़ो ना इंग्लिश.
और लॉट ऑफ पीपल आल्सो हु जो नहीं बात कर पाते किसी लैंग्वेज में, वो उसको थोड़ा सा इरोटिक बनाने के लिए एक्सेंट डाल देते हैं. तो एक तो तुम्हें आती नहीं है वो लैंग्वेज, ऊपर से तुम थोड़ा सा उसको, तुम्हें क्या लगता है तुम एक्सेंट डाल दोगे तो आ जाएगी?
You is so beautiful.
Oh, what a legs. No, doesn't work.
How many DMs I've gotten with hi dear? Wrong spelling. I'm not a fucking dear, guys. It's DAR. मत लिखो ना, लिखो हाय. तो हिंदी में बात कर लो, बोल दो आप कैसी हैं.
मैं तो एक बार यार बहुत सेक्सी है, मैं एक बार एक
बहुत सेक्सी है
एक लड़के से मिली जो बहुत मतलब खूबसूरत, मतलब उर्दू बोलता था. तो उसने ऐसे बोला कि हम डेट पे थे एंड देन ही वाज लाइक आप हमारे बीच में फासला बहुत ज्यादा है. फासला
कम हुआ, फासला बड़ा या कम हुआ?
Obviously, if he's going to say हमारे बीच फासला बहुत ज्यादा है, I will reduce the फासला. मैंने लिखा था एक्चुअली क्या, I remembered what he had said.
क्या लिखा है?
हाँ, मुझे तो कोई शिकायत नहीं, उम्मीद है वक्त के साथ तुम्हें मुझसे उल्फत हो जाए.
ये तूने बोला?
उसने बोला.
थैंक गॉड, क्योंकि तू इंग्लिश में बोलना, तेरे को ये सूट नहीं करेगा. इट वर्क्स बोथ वेज. व्हाट इज उल्फत?
लाइक attraction.
What is ulfat? I don't know.
Ulfat, yeah, ulfat. Whatever it is, it's a nice word.
So please use the language you are comfortable in. हिंदी है हिंदी, तमिल है
गुजराती में
तमिल,
बात
गुजराती
करो
है
यार.
गुजराती. उसको नहीं समझ में आता, वो उसकी प्रॉब्लम है.
Love has no language, guys.
Correct. वो समझ जाएगी.
Doesn't have.
फालतू
You can
इंग्लिश
talk
में
in
झाड़ो.
gibberish. You can say
No, you
I
can't.
get
do that.
it.
You can't wink. You can't
Don't
wink.
Don't wink.
Don't wink.
Just come and say, hey, Achika, बोला.
Unless you have a disorder or a disease, then it's okay.
ये कौन सा disorder है यार?
कुछ लोगों को होता है ऐसे वाला. तूने movies में नहीं देखा?
Yeah, those Priyadarshini films.
Yeah, so that's a different thing, and I'm not against that at all.
Remember that movie? कौन सी movie थी वो, हंगामा ना? Last में जहाँ पे वो सबको शॉक लगता है और and he's like
and he goes
and he gets stuck here. ये सब नहीं करना है, guys. You know what I don't like?
What?
I like, but I don't like.
What?
Yes, we are confusing people. That's why we're doing this episode, to confuse
Like
you
don't
further.
like what you don't like.
I like if you're checking me out when I don't know that you're checking me out. If I catch you checking me out, then I don't like.
That's so weird, because then
Like
what do you?
if you're looking at me and I'm staring at you, then I don't like that. Like if you're looking here, but If I look away and if you check me out,
पर
I
अगर
mean,
तू मुझे देख
I'm okay
रही,
with being
अगर मैं
checked
तुझे
out.
देख रही हूँ और तू मुझे नहीं देख रही और
हाँ.
तू जैसे ही मुझे देखे
नहीं ये नहीं. देखो तुम वहां देख रही हो पर मैं तुम्हें देख रही हूँ.
साइड आई से
अभी
देख
देखो
रहा है
मुझे. हाँ तो क्या बोल रहे थे आप?
मुझे।
कुछ बोलो. ये करोगे तो पता चल जाएगा ना. Don't get caught.
I think a boy would want to know
What?
if you're checking them out. उनका अलग चलता है.
Boys also feel objectified. Love you, Harsh Beniwal audience. वही है ना, और कोई है क्या हमारे audience?
They would love to feel objectified by you.
है ना?
But I also मुझे उल्टा पसंद है.
मुझे उल्टा पसंद है.
Guys, now you all know कि सलोनी को क्या पसंद है. You have to be very careful when you're talking on this show. Very careful. You have Harsh Beniwal audience and you have Srishti.
It's funny because it's true.
You're one of those rare women.
But when I say, let me use another word, मुझे opposite पसंद.
I think we should move on.
No, I have to say it. I like it when somebody is checking me out, but confidently. मतलब
Like, what does that mean?
मतलब you have to देखो अगर तुम्हें किसी लड़की को अप्रोच करना है ना तो you have to be confident about it. ऐसे तुम two minds में नहीं हो सकते.
अच्छा अप्रोच करना मुझे लगा चेकआउट.
नहीं.
You said check out with
check out
confidence.
confidently in the sense कि with an intention कि सिर्फ check out नहीं करना है, आगे बात करनी है. The same thing that you were saying. At some point तुम इतने confidently check out कर रहे हो कि तुम बात करोगे. You're just waiting for a signal from her. I like that कि ठीक है, you're giving me a chance कि मैं कुछ signal दूँ, then you'll talk to me. Not like oh I'm checking out but I'll never talk to her.
और क्या सिग्नल देती हो तुम वही? That's very creepy.
Why? My smile is really nice. It's nice, na? It's usually a
Got it.
conversation
Okay.
starter. But I don't like it जब लड़के मुझे बोलते हैं that तुम और लड़कियों जैसी नहीं. क्यों भाई? मैं क्या हूँ? कुत्ता हूँ.
तुम
Man हूँ.
और लड़की हो जैसी.
मैं और
You are not
you're
like
not like
you are
other
not like
girls.
other girls.
Sorry, what? What does that mean?
And it's funny, ironic कि he is sounding like all other boys. You know?
And
Like-
it's such a done line. You're not like other girls. तुम औरों
कि
जैसी नहीं
you
हो.
are like other boys and you should stay in other folders of my DMs. I also want to speak on behalf of my Firang friends. कि just because she's white skinned doesn't mean she's going to be interested more than a brown skinned
वो
woman.
अमेरिकन पाई थी ना वो मूवी, उसने दिमाग खराब किया सबका. सबको अमेरिकन पाई देख के लगता है
No,
कि
even films like जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा वो जाता है मेरा नाम मजनू है तुम्हारा लला है and we're like yeah Farhan come to me आसमां है नीला क्यों पानी like we want him. The problem is ना we are so hypocritical क्योंकि
Yeah.
अगर यही सब जो हमने बोला मत करो अगर एक बहुत हॉट बंदा फेमस रिच आके हमें बोले हम सब इग्नोर कर लेंगे.
तो गाइस फिर या तो फेमस रिच हो जाओ या फिर ये सुन लो जो हम तुम्हें सजेशन दे रहे हैं. तो
This is for non-famous, non-rich, non-very hot boys. No, all boys are hot.
No, they're not.
Yeah, all girls are not beautiful.
Don't call women with actions. Don't call me like I work for you.
How have you been called?
No, fuck you. Who are
Oh,
you?
like this you've been called?
Yeah.
ये क्या है?
बाहर मिल.
अभी तू वेट्रेस जैसे ड्रेस अप करती है.
That's true. मैं black and white ही पहनती हूँ हर जगह. Has anyone done any इशारा to you ever? No, you've done.
Like this. बोलो जुबा केसरी.
But imagine this: तू अकेले बैठी and somebody comes and asks you, "Are you alone?"
Then you should also say something obvious. This table is brown. Coffee is black.
So weird.
Waiter is taking orders. But that is nice. At least he's asked. Basically, you should ask women if they're single.
A lot of boys. I'm sorry. Comments में बताओ ये सच है कि नहीं कि बहुत सारे लड़के ऐसे होते हैं इनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता आप सिंगल हो या नहीं.
क्यों करते हैं ऐसा? तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
मुझे लगता है वो ग्राउंड सेट कर रहे होते हैं कि कभी तो सिंगल होएगी.
Booking
कभी तो बॉयफ्रेंड से लड़ाई होएगी.
reservations. Yeah, it makes sense कि look, I'm here. If you ever need me, like I'm here.
प्लीज किसी के कान में जाके विस्पर मत करो.
ये कौन लड़के हैं तुम्हारे लाइफ में?
यार दिल्ली में ऐसे बहुत लड़के हैं. सॉरी.
Really? Whisper
गाइस
करते हैं?
कमेंट्स में बताओ तुमने कभी कुछ ऐसा किया है? विस्पर, योर स्माइल इज वेरी नाइस, ऐसे जो भी हमने अभी तक डिस्कस किया ऐसा कुछ किया तो बताना.
मतलब
Be
काफी
honest.
सटल है. हमारे तो लोकल ट्रेन में सीधा ब्रेस्ट करते हैं. सीधा.
मैं local train में
And I'm
गई.
like, I know, like,
I've
why
never
are you
traveled-
pointing out my organs? He has just come and said breast. I don't even know if I should feel offended.
Why would you feel offended? It's just like
It's
this
just
boy.
like he's like labeling parts, and I was like, lag. You should have just played a game. Hair.
Who can point out more organs than the other? This is a
Yeah,
good game.
it's a great game.
But I've had this guy come up to me and whisper, "Hey, I don't think I slept that night." कौन whisper करता है यार किसी stranger के कान में जाके?
This episode has gone from first move to eve teasing. I'll tell you why. Because it's a very thin line.
Between the first move and eve teasing.
Very thin line.
Find my Instagram. Don't talk to me directly. मेरे को DM करो. Interest होगा तो मैं reply करेगी.
ये हुआ है मेरे साथ.
हुआ है?
मैंने एक बार Instagram नहीं पर somebody came and asked me very sweetly. He came and said that I think you're really pretty. Can I get your number? I said I'm sorry, I'm not comfortable giving you my number, but take my email address. He took my email address and he started emailing me.
Did you reply?
No, but because I didn't find him very pretty. But that's so sweet. He emailed me.
Yeah.
Ghatiya poetry, but emailed me. Women like genuine boys. कि तुम जो भी feel कर रहे हो तुम ज़्यादा मतलब I like what Raghu and Rajiv are looking for in a roadie. Genuine.
Authenticity.
Authenticity.
Authenticity
Real.
मतलब जो तुम असलियत में हो, not to
Hmm.
pretend. तो ये जो तुम देखते हो ना हीरो लोगों को मूवीज में वो मत बनो, बी योरसेल्फ. और जिस लड़की को वो पसंद आएगा उसी के साथ रहो. But
Unless you're hot, rich and famous.
then do anything, doesn't matter.
If you're Shah Rukh, just come.
Just you don't even have to say anything. We'll come. And we'll come. Do
Yeah, I
not-
think
हाँ.
honesty. Like बोल दो कि मैं nervous हूँ मुझे आपसे बात करनी है. आप मत बुलाना. That's a little too much respect for me if we want to get in bed together.
And don't hit on my friend and then hit on me. That's just fucking weird. There are a lot of guys who do that. इससे नहीं हुआ तो इसी same circle में.
I mean, you can hit on two friends. And I mean, for some people, you end up marrying one. But you can try on both. I'm talking about a friend, guys.
You have one friend. Everyone knows that.
I had to. Whatever you want to make of that, guys, you can. Comments में बताओ, what is the conspiracy theory? Because of course, y'all are so interested in my life.
Is Srishti talking about us or is Srishti talking about Bhavesh or is Srishti talking about something else?
But this also, na, where people come to you and talk to you, but in an erotic, sensual
Oh,
voice.
so you're a teacher. Oh.
Oh, HR.
Human resources.
No. HR. Rangoli. I make. I hire people. I say, fuck off, get out. That's my job.
Yeah.
Now, everything is not sexual. Everything is not, ooh, doctor.
But
doctor.
Everything is sexual, na? Okay, tell me a profession which is not sexual. Teacher sexual hai, doctor sexual hai, HR
Receptionist? No.
receptionist,
Receptionist.
secretary,
Uh,
personal secretary.
politician?
Ooh, politician.
No, it doesn't work for politicians.
Guys, almost everything is sexual, so don't make it that. Be normal. You know what Viraf did when he approached me, na?
What? Viraf is husband hai, guys.
हाँ हाँ शादी हो गई है.
Boyfriend alag hai.
That. Stop it. Editor cut. So
You're
Viraf,
talking to the editor like he's your boyfriend.
maybe.
It's a cut.
Editor. But you know what Viraf did, na? He's very smart. He's very smart. Uska move tha astrology. He came to me and he started talking about my chart. No.
Can you say chart normally, please?
My Vedic chart. Where are my planets and what is, you know, my nature और मेरा Saturn कहाँ है और मेरा Moon कहाँ है. It was very
Where's
interesting.
Uranus?
Uranus नहीं Vedic.
Oh,
Vedic doesn't
Vedic
have
में Uranus नहीं है.
नहीं. Uranus Neptune नहीं है. But this is such an interesting thing ना because फिर हमने बात करी 1 घंटा मेरे चार्ट के बारे में.
Correct. भावेश बहुत cool चीजें करता था.
क्या?
दूसरी लड़की मेरे साथ नहीं किया. But like I know from his past because clearly हमारे husbands का body count is as many as our subscribers. More than our subscribers. बहुत अच्छा body count है guys. मतलब better than they have aced it.
Guys, comments में बताओ if you want us to call Bhavesh and Viraf to give you some tips, we'll call them. Huh? They really know the game.
तो भावेश क्या करता था? He would go up to people, girls, and he would be like, "Hey, what are you drinking?" oh, you know, because I was actually looking at drinking something like this, but you know, oh, great, because you know, I'm actually, and then he'll make up shit because now you want to continue conversation like I'm allergic to, but it's more like a psychological allergy, you know, because when I was in the army,
He was in the army?
He wasn't. He would make up shit. He would say, when I was in the army, you know, 15 years ago, a lot happened. My girlfriend died, and you know, and then his friends around him are laughing. And she's like, why are they laughing when you're talking about your girlfriend's death? And he said, no, because I told them that जब मैं अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के बारे में बात करूं तो वो हंसे ताकि मैं अच्छा फील करूं और वो और हंस रहे हैं. And they're like, and he's like, they're doing it for a reason. It's so that I don't feel
Did this work?
sad. It worked. She believed it. She was like, oh my god, don't. And then she's like, oh shit, I'm so sorry. And
The
I'm
touches
here
started.
for you.
Oh
I'm
my
here for you.
God.
And,
Sympathy.
Do you also want me to laugh with you? Will that make you feel better? You get all the touches.
But this girl, then you can't be girlfriends and marry now.
But
Because
I
you
mean-
can't lie and start a serious relationship.
No, of
This
course.
is only to
But
pick
it's
up.
also the confidence with which you say something and make shit up, and then later, even if it was a joke, you laugh about it. It's not so serious, right?
So basically, you're saying कि curious होके बात करो.
हाँ.
कि मतलब क्या drink पी रहे हो आप?
Interesting conversation
Interesting
करो.
conversation. कि क्या आपको देख के लगता है कि आप Piscean हो गए, because and don't say wrong things about Piscean, say right things, that you look very empathetic and you look very,
Astrology तो बहुत अच्छा idea है.
yeah, but पढ़ लो
तुम
astrology.
अपने दोस्त के साथ जाओ, दोस्त को बोलो कि जाके उसको बोलो कि मुझे प्रैक्टिस करना है तो ही मैं आऊंगा. तो दोस्त जाके बोलता है, hey, actually my friend is learning numerology, he wants to practice, can he just like work on it with you?
But only numerology and Vedic, not palmistry.
Palmistry मत करना, touching नहीं करना है. ये हाथ पढ़ने वाला चुतिया, sorry. Sorry क्यों बोलती मैं?
पता नहीं, हाथ पढ़ने वाला चुतिया मत करना first time
करना.
पे. It's very, it's crossing the line. Don't touch, no touching.
Again, first move, Eve teasing, thin line.
Yeah, you can't do that.
Palmistry, Eve teasing.
Yeah.
समझ गए ना? हाँ.
Yeah, and I think ऐसे होता था ना कि can I buy you a drink? Can I ask her to buy you a drink? Now do something.
That
different.
is cool.
Turn it around.
उल्टा करो सब कुछ. सलोनी का समझ गए ना? उल्टा करना है सब. ठीक है?
आजकल सारी women ना बड़ी empowered है, उनको अच्छा लगता है to take charge. So let her take charge ना, let her.
पर ऐसा नहीं है कि फिर उसका बैंक अकाउंट ही खाली कर दो. Another thing, genuine but also too much of anything is not good. Too much vulnerable कि रोने ही लगो कि मुझे नहीं जानना. थोड़ा
रोने ही लगो.
I know it's confusing, guys. You'll get there. You'll get there.
You'll
get there. You'll find the G spot.
Yeah.
You'll find it someday. Someday you will find it.
Hopefully.
Someday.
Hopefully. And you know, while you're being chivalrous and chivalrous, do not flex. I hate it when you flex. No, muscles you can flex.
I like
Don't flex.
flexible.
Yeah.
Different flexibilities.
You know, actually, I have a villa in fucking
Got job
Athens
pro, like
and
let's
I
go, like
was-
we have a pool and all.
last
we,
month
like,
I was
fucking
actually
enjoy.
taking a 20-day cruise and whatever, and I'm just like, that's a turn off for me. I don't
तुम
know
तो
about
बैंड्रा
other
में रहती हो, वहाँ पे वैसे ही लड़के भरे ऊपर हैं.
दिल्ली,
Bro,
bro.
let's go to Karjat, man. That's my dad's villas there. Let's go, like, you know, let's party. Like,
दिल्ली, bro.
I've got like the best alcohol ever.
तो
like,
विलास तक हो,
booze and
दिल्ली
dope.
में गन्स निकलती हैं. वो actually my PA had a fucking look at this ass fucking.
छत्तरपुर में
No.
तुम्हारी गार्ड,
Bro.
तुम्हारी बॉडी को गार्ड दिया है, किसी को पता नहीं.
And you are a nobody. A nobody, okay? You just have like a fucking farmhouse in Chhatarpur, but you have a fucking bodyguard. So what? I don't know. Nobody's kidnapping you. कोई नहीं ले रहा तेरे को. कोई कुछ नहीं कर रहा है तेरे को. ठीक है? He'll take out their guns, bro.
बॉम्बे
How
में
is
सिर्फ
this
ये वाले
attractive?
गन्स दिखाते हैं, उतना ही है.
इसलिए तो मैं मूव हो गई इधर. It's not attractive. I like the boys who are calmer and अगर तेरे को कोई छेड़
बॉम्बे
भी
बॉयज आर स्टिल.
हाँ, like अगर मुझे कोई छेड़ता है ना तो विराट उससे अच्छे से बात करता है कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है भाई, क्या हो गया?
विराफ ये पूछता है ना, विराफ बहुत अच्छी चीज करता है. वो नहीं पूछता कि ये बकवास क्वेश्चन है कि तुम करती क्या हो. What do you love doing?
See, it's the same thing but different.
What's happened to
It's
me? I
slightly
don't know.
Did Virat ask you this or?
No, no. और वो पता है क्या पूछता है? लिखा हुआ है मैंने.
मेरे को पता है.
हाँ बोल.
What was the last thing that made you cry?
Right now you're making me cry by asking me that question.
But what we're trying to say is be smart about it.
You can be weird.
Yeah.
We are all weird.
Yeah.
We all record our farts, make music out of it. auto tune it. We do that shit, right?
कौन कर रहा है? I want to now. हमने बहुत कुछ बोल दिया कि ये मत करना, वो मत करना. लेकिन क्या करना चाहिए? मुझे इस बारे में बात करनी है. Like I want to tell people that this is what you should do. I like it जब लड़के ना nervousness को own करते हैं. मतलब honesty sexy है. तुम जैसा feel कर रहे हो ना वैसा रहो. ज़्यादा brave बनने की और उस no girls can see through it. They're very smart, right?
नर्वसनेस को ओन करना चाहिए, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ एक घर गाड़ी भी ओन करना चाहिए. That's also little important.
गाइस ड्राइव होनी चाहिए. ठीक है तुम्हारे पास आज पैसा नहीं है, लेकिन क्या तुम पैसा कमा पाओगे?
क्योंकि मैं तुम में आज इन्वेस्ट करूंगी फॉर अ फ्यूचर ROI.
रिटर्न ऑन.
कुछ लड़के मेरे पिछले रिलेशनशिप्स बहुत ही, मतलब मैंने इतना इन्वेस्ट किया और मुझे ROI मिला, मतलब मैं रोई. मैं रोई क्योंकि मुझे कोई रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं मिला. इनफैक्ट I have a lot. I mean, that's another fucking episode. That man.
But what is it? आज के डिजिटल एज में फ्लर्टिंग कैसे होती है यार? मैं थोड़ी बूमर हूँ ना.
I love it. Memes. But memes तो सभी शेयर करते हैं.
That's true.
Memes is such a fucking beautiful way to communicate. Memes से sensitivity पता चल जाती है कि उसने एक थोड़ा सा sexist type कुछ भेजा है या कुछ non sexist type.
और memes कितने subtle होते हैं ना.
Subtle
They're not direct. Like they're a little subtle. Like I'm telling you that I like you, but in a funny way.
Yeah, like I'm still trying to tell whether there's this guy who's sending me memes is flirting with me or not.
Sure.
Who?
The memes.
What?
I'll tell you if he's interested or not.
It's someone we both know.
Boy.
This is not a confessions episode.
We have to do another one.
The more I become public about my relationship, the more lesser it becomes.
Okay.
Guys, तो आप समझ ही गए होंगे इस एपिसोड का मुद्दा था आपको और ज्यादा कंफ्यूज करना कि what women want. But like I said, we will find a G-spot someday, all of us together.
All right, so इसी बात पे हम एक गेम खेलेंगे because पता नहीं क्यों we are playing Would You Rather. एक मैं पूछती एक तू पूछे, ठीक है?
हाँ ठीक है.
Two girls play a game.
Play a game.
Okay. Would you rather he flirt with you with a soft touch or a firm grab? I hate soft touch.
That's why you fumbled.
I hate it. मतलब मुझे पढ़ के भी कुछ हो रहा था. जो लोग मुझे ऐसे छूते हैं ना, मुझे irritation होती है. मुझे पकड़ लो. I like firm grab.
Yeah, I also like it firm.
Yeah.
Like
Okay.
pull my hair.
Yeah.
No.
Grab my neck.
Guys, very thin line between flirting and abuse. Guys, just remember there has to be a
But
safe
I
word.
personally.
Safe word is aubergine. So you're at a business. This is a situation.
Okay.
You're at a business conference and can't get your eyes off each other. He comes close to you.
So.
In a
Oh,
business
then I
conference.
had to reach this.
Oh, acha. Oh.
I have completely fucked up the game.
Now say you want soft touch. Grab in an office space in a conference room is a
So
bit
you're at a
much.
business conference.
Like imagine he goes, yeah, come to me.
One second, you're at a business conference and can't get your eyes off of each other. He comes close to you. Would you rather he flirt with you with a soft touch or firm grab?
Footsie.
Always firm.
Always
Still firm.
footsie.
I'm sorry.
Like footsie is the best, right?
Footsie is the
But
best.
just make sure you're touching my feet and not someone else's. That's weird.
Anyway, situation 2. He's at a party with his girlfriend and invites you to join them later in bed. Would you rather do it with them or run for your life?
I will
With
say
them.
no, thank you. Have fun.
But I would not run either.
I
right?
would not run. Like it's not
I think we
like-
should ask one. Na?
unless they
Why are
both
we
are running behind me, ki chalna, chalna.
I would run.
Then I would run. Because guys, there's a thin line between asking someone for a threesome and
I'm running after them.
almost.
Okay, we should ask one. So situation 3, you ask me.
He texts you, what are you doing tonight?
Hmm.
What are you doing tonight? Not
Hmm.
what are you. Question is, would you rather invite him over and get railed? ये कौन सा language है? हाँ? Or leave him on red?
Why is okay? Listen, हमारे पूर्वजों को problem थी sex बोलने से. I understand. आपकी शर्म थी. Why are these guys not using sex? Just say sex ना. Have
Yeah,
sex.
like
What is
the
railed?
fuck is railed, dude?
Railed. I think I would leave him.
But the
on
keyword
red.
is, who is he? Is he my boyfriend? Is he my husband? And if he's my husband, why is he texting me? If I'm alone
Okay.
at home, if mama's there, then no.
Mama's in London. You're alone only.
Okay.
But Bhavesh can be there.
I'll ask him if he wants to get
I
railed
would
over.
actually tell him, please tell my husband what rail means. Try
And if you manage to explain it well, let's rail together.
Okay, situation 4. He makes his move and asks, can I take you out this weekend? Would you rather say yes and show up or say yes and ghost him? You're a bitch, you'd probably
I would say yes and ghost him.
But you know, that's not because she wants to ghost him, that's just how she operates. She does that with her friends, so who are you?
You've never talked to him in life and he catches you alone at a party and says, I've been wanting to kiss you all night.
Would you rather let him do it right then and there and then also sleep with him, or throw your drink at
इतने
him?
एक्सट्रीम जो तुमने ऑप्शंस दिए ना हमको कोई नॉर्मल बिहेवियर नहीं हो सकता कि मतलब ना बोल दो नहीं.
Guys, the questions clearly हमने नहीं लिखे. There is another person in this room जो अपनी kinks.
I think she would throw a drink. That's why she wrote it.
You never know.
I like. I've been wanting to kiss you all night. I like it.
I also like
it's
it.
subtly. It's not like can I kiss you? Like it's like I've been wanting to. Just
Yeah.
thought I'll let you know.
Yeah, whether you want to or not is your choice. So I
Yeah.
like that. Okay, he says he can only slam you. He says he can only slam. Listen, if he's talking like this now, I don't even want to play this game. Like, who says slam?
They do dirty things with
Yeah,
you.
you know.
Dirty.
Uh,
If it's cleaned down there, basically if you've mowed the lawn. ये हमारे ज़माने का है.
Question-
Mow the lawn.
question to put.
Do you make him shave? You make him shave only. Or be a sub and let him call the shots. Be a sub.
Be a sub.
Oh my god.
I think I honestly am very lazy, so be a sub works for me.
Make him shave. Like if he wants me to be cleaned down, then why will I make him shave?
Because you're weird, na? You're Gen Z
No, I would like him to appreciate my natural being.
self. Okay. You're out on a date with him and he expects you to split the bill. Normal question, guys. Would you still
He
continue?
doesn't slam you after that.
or mail you. Would you still continue seeing him or completely block him?
See, you know, there's a very thin line. If you're saying, okay, now we split the bill, that doesn't work for me.
What works?
It's like, oh, okay, great. He takes the thing and he's removing his card, and then I'm like, I'll pay. It's like, no, it's okay, yeah. No, I'll pay. I have agency. I'm feminist. I'm independent. It's okay, yeah. This time I'll do it. Next time you do. That's how the conversation would go,
So
and
fucking
eventually he should
annoying
pay.
For the waiter who's standing there watching this.
I know you've been a waiter. You understand the feelings. You've been it.
Would you still continue seeing him or block him?
I wouldn't
would
block
not
him. I would
block him at
continue
all.
seeing him, but I would also tell him ki next time.
Pay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but if he says, listen, मेरा थोड़ा ना पैसों का थोड़ा ये चल रहा है, तो can we split it? I'd love that. That would be so sweet.
Not for me.
No.
Not on
I
the
like
first date. Maybe once I get to know you a little bit, I'll be more.
Listen, we are married to those kind of people. पैसे का थोड़ा चल
फिर
रहा
आपने तो डेट पे घर पे बुलाया था, चाय पिलाई थी.
है. Exactly.
Okay, he says he want to do it. Can he just say he wants to have sex? Is that possible? Then I will. He says he
wanna
want to
do
do
it.
it on the very first meet.
He wanna do it
Huh.
on the very first meet, but then he can't get it up.
You help him get hard or walk out.
1 second. I will stop there only. He wanna do it at the very first meet. I'll say, you wanna do it?
No, but if a
Do
girl wants to do it with him, that's fine. But if you can't get
Sure.
it up, that's your
Yeah,
problem.
if I'm also in the mood and if you can't get it up, but if you're feeling, see, I will not try to get you in
Yeah,
this,
I'm not-
but I
I'm
will
not a
console
doctor.
you. I will console.
I'm not a fucking doctor, na. We've met for some particular reason, na. That you said you want to do it, and I said, yeah, okay, let's do it because I just want to do it. He takes you out on a date, but says he's seeing other girls as well. Would you rather block him or block him?
I think the second, block him.
He's got a great personality, one that would make you fall in love, but is disappointingly horrendous in bed. Would you rather lose interest or continue seeing him? I think great personality is very hard to find aajkal, so I would continue seeing him. Bed, we can get help. Last.
Would you rather let him?
He's got a, ye to ho gaya na? Y'all. It's not even you all, it's y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all are at a crowded cafe and he starts touching you. Would you rather let him continue and go all out or stop it and make him? Guys, report him. What the fuck?
Take him to
This
the
is-
car.
This is what Eve.
I will go to the car, make him stand in front of me and drive over him.
Eve को क्या चाहिए? Eve को ये नहीं चाहिए. Don't fucking Eve tease, bro. He's excited to do it the very first time, but you realize he's packing a bit on the smaller side. Okay, guys, I'm a sexuality educator. Okay, so this question calls for a little lesson. ये जो आपको लगता है ना कि big is wow and big is ये and big, no. Size doesn't matter, guys, क्योंकि जो वो sensations होती है ना 1 or 2 inches में ही होती है. तो अगर 3 inch भी है ना, it fucking works. Okay? So this whole concept of small is wrong. Thank you, boys. You can thank me later. Whether you're big or small doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, guys.
Big doesn't matter. It should just be, there should just be a connection. Wow, so boring. Fuck.
Okay, guys, that calls for the end of the episode. What women want, what Eve wants, and for more such stuff, please comment saying more such stuff.
ये कमेंट्स में बताओ ना कि तुमने कभी किसी लड़की को अप्रोच किया और वो वर्क किया हो या ना किया. What is it that you have done? Tell us. And girls,
And what
tell
did
us what
work
worked
and
for
what
you.
worked, and we
Yeah,
might
we
talk
talked
about it in the next episode about what Eve wants.
Please tell us what Eve wants.
But apart from that, keep watching Cup Graded by 2 Girls and 2 Cups. Keep watching Rose Pod का बहुत अच्छा content आ रहा है.
इनको भी बताओ.
बहुत अच्छा content बना रहे हैं, वो आ रहा है. और apart from that, stay woke, guys.
Stay woke. Ciao. Bye.
Send us pictures, with this guys, with your fingers only.
Nudes आएंगे तेरे को. एक के बाद एक ऐसे वाले.
2 girls and 2 cups. 2 girls and 2 cups.
Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never.
Keep listening. Bye. Cheers.